Jake and the Gray Horse, and we're talking about basic horse stuff. We're going to look at turning our horses, moving the hindquarters and moving the forequarters. This should be a really simple idea, but it can get kind of jumbled up when there's so much information out there. So we're going to try to break it down and keep it simple. We've got two reins, a left rein and a right rein. We've got two sides of the horse, a left side and a right side. We've got two halves of the horse, a front and a back. We're going to try to connect this left rein with this left front foot and the right hind foot. We're going to connect this right rein with the right front foot and the left hind foot. See, horses are diagonal walkers. Okay, I know there's gaited horses in there, same side, but that's another conversation. Most horses are diagonal walkers. That means they are connected diagonally, and we see that in the backup and in the trot. The way the rhythm of their footwork happens in the walk, and even at a canter, there's a connected diagonal pair. We want to make it simple to have this rein when we lead it forward and out to the side. Like if I had rings on, I was like, ooh, bling bling, to be able to lead the front feet over. And if I check those rings and lead out to the side, to lead that front foot. To lead that front. Now, if you get there and the horse pulls and does a bunch of other things, this is where all our groundwork, prepping needs to help. Our position in the saddle, so I could sit forward and lean out here, but if I put this leg on, it's going to push him that way and help his hindquarters unstick. So we want to make sure that this leg is off and out of the way so that we open the door to invite those front feet to move. The more we sit back, the more it weights the hind end, can make it easier. And then if we want to move that left hind leg, I'm going to maybe sit forward to put the weight on the front end. I don't want to lean in because that helps pull him in here. I actually want to sit to the outside like I was reaching for my drink on the fence. And when my leg goes back there, that helps kick the hip in. Okay? So I'm going to lift, keeping it close to his neck, put my leg, start pushing the right hind leg over there. Similarly, if I take this right and I keep it by his neck, and I sit to the outside like I was reaching for my drink, I can start to push his hips over. Now, leg position. If we look here, there's two fist widths in between my front cinch and back cinch. We could say 3 leg positions. 1, this is the overlap, that's 2, and then 3. That's about as tight as those positions can get. We could go really big and go 1, 2, behind the back cinch is 3. Okay? Things in front of that cinch are going to move the front end and cause backwards. Things in the middle are going to cause sideways movement and forward. Things behind the back cinch are going to cause more forward and moving the hind feet. So now, to use my leg, if I want to push the front end over, my leg needs to be up here where my spur is going to go just next to that back cinch. Or I can come all the way up here to the shoulder to help exaggerate. If I want the hind feet to move, I'm going to take my leg where it lands just here at the back cinch or behind it, drawing my leg back to help push the hindquarters. When we can have a great combination of leg position, rein position, and how we sit our weight in the saddle, we can make steering and moving the hindquarters and forequarters basic horse stuff.